Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl C Bunny. If you haven't already, go and hit that subscribe button. So you guys, in today's video, of course I will be doing another wig review. So you guys, I think I like her. Like, she is so silky. But so you guys, I will get into how I installed it. At the end of this video, I will tell you my honest opinion. Like these type of videos, go ahead and thumbs up. I know a lot of you guys who have been subscribing to me for a long time, y'all love when I do my hair videos and stuff like that. So I'm trying to bring you more videos like this. So yeah, let's just get into this video.
You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just so deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking take it personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just to be and live my life. Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really liking the hair. I'm gonna get this. I just want to get this a little bit more flatter. I mean, it's okay now, but I think I can get it a little bit more flatter. So guys, I highly recommend this hair. It feels amazing. I just bumped it a little bit. I didn't just go through with sections and like do the hair, because it was already silky straight. So yeah. So you guys, if you like more videos like this, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.